Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
The Still Mississippi 661 tears into a 24-inch spruce like it's made of cake. 7.2 HP slicing through bark like butter on Sunday brunch. And if you blink, you missed it. Still Mississippi 271 just chewed through a 12-inch log in 9 seconds. That's 3,250 RPM of chainsaw fury. Baby. Armed with a 6.4 HP chainsaw, he's slicing into a 3-foot wide tree like he's buttering toast. That bark? More like medieval armor. Then we've got a still with 4.6 HP. Turning a 14-inch log into deli slices. Who needs a sawmill when your arm's a machine? And now, goal. Still Mississippi 381 scores with 3.4 Newton meters torque. Slicing a 2-meter log into perfect 6x6s. That's what I call precision play. Speaking of skills, here comes the Spider-Man of logging. Climbing a 60-foot redwood with a Still MS 661 7.2 HP and no fear. And how about a chainsaw ballet? This logger climbs 60 feet high with 90 Newton meters of torque. Who needs the circus when we've got still? Ready for Jungle Thunder? Still 070 with 6.5 HP takes on a 4-foot bass tree. Every cut booms like a jungle drum solo. And just when you thought it couldn't get wilder, 2 guys. One handsaw, and a 12-foot jungle giant. No motor, all muscle. After all that brute force, let's lighten the mood. The tiny Stihl GTA 26 trims a 9-meter pine like it's a bonsai. Adorable destruction. Han HFP 160 with 37 HP tears through 6-foot logs like it's feeding time. Firewood? More like mulch mode on steroids. The Narva splitter crushes a 16-inch log with ease, firing out firewood like a vending machine loaded with splinters. And here comes the pizza guy. This 40 HP splitter slices 14-inch logs into 16 chunks like a nightmare pizza cutter from Sawmill Hell. Ever seen a stump turn into breakfast? This grinder spins at 3.000 RPM and eats a 40-inch stump like it's a pancake. Or maybe potato style? This 25 HP Vermeer stump grinder scrubs down a 30-inch stump like it's peeling dinner. Now back to destruction mode. This 240 HP dozer knocks down 25-foot trees like dominoes. Forest, meet bulldozer. In this TRITUCAP mulcher, it turns 4-inch branches into giant salad, powered by a PTO tractor. Bon appetit, Forest. Snow and mud? No problem. This forest tractor hauls 12-foot frozen logs and laughs in the face of traction. Savage grip mode, on. And here's a beast. Mid-harvest. One tire's gone, but it claws its way out like it's mad at gravity. Who needs rescue? Hold your breath. This guy steps into air as a branch falls. And wham! Man and wood hit the ground like skydivers. Cut one tree in surprise, two crash down, one almost flattens him. Chainsaw rule number 1. Trees gossip. Stay alert. Finally, this John Deere harvester with 215 HP grabs a 26-foot tree like it's pulling carrots. This ain't logging, it's precision surgery. Still breathing? These machines don't stop, and neither should you. Hit like, stay sharp, and never trust a leaning tree.